Garage doors getting stuck because of ice or snow totally messes up your day, right? Here's how to handle that annoying weather problem without losing your cool. First off, if your garage door won't close cause of ice buildup, don't just force it and risk breaking stuff. Start by clearing away any snow or ice around the door bottom with a broom or shovel. Next, use a hairdryer or heat gun on a low setting to carefully melt the ice along the edges and tracks, but keep it moving so you don't damage anything. You can also spray some de-icer or rubbing alcohol on the frozen parts to help melt the ice faster. After that, check the weather stripping for damage or ice traps and replace it if it's cracked or worn out. Make sure the tracks are clean and free from debris so the door slides smoothly. Lubricate the rollers and hinges with a silicone-based spray to prevent freezing next time. Lastly, try to keep your driveway clear so melting snow doesn't refreeze under the door. One of the biggest mistakes people make with garage doors in winter is ignoring the ice buildup until it gets bad enough to block the door completely. Fix that by doing regular quick checks when it snows or freezes. Another common issue is using oil-based lubricants on tracks, which actually attract dirt and freeze up faster, which switch to silicone spray instead for better results. Lastly, folks often forget to inspect and replace bad weather stripping, which lets cold air and moisture in, causing ice buildup. Swapping it out yearly keeps things tight and dry. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners who want to find local pros they can actually trust for stuff like garage door repairs. It's also super handy for contractors looking to connect with folks who need their skills, making it easier to find work without all the hassle.